welcome back to It's Pouring Paint. I am going to do a Dutch pour on this little canvas for my girlfriend. We haven't seen her, I haven't seen her in quite some time, and I wanted to do something. She's invited us over for dinner. So I am going to go ahead and make her this in some colors that she said she would probably like. So just going to flood the canvas with the cream. Well, not flood it entirely. Well, I think that sat in a thing that had pink in it, so I can tell. Okay, so that wasn't supposed to happen. I'm just going to go ahead and move this paint around. Now with Dutch pours, you don't do much tilting, so I'm just going to make sure the edges are done. And we are going to go and blow it out with the cream as opposed to a white. Alright, so I'm going to put this in here. Put my gloves back on. I'm going to do the outside edges in a deep purple that I have made because, oh, I see. That's right. When I blow it out, I'm hoping to blow it over. It's going to be a little different, I suppose. But I have done 2 fails before this. Let me put it this way. I've done 2 fails before this. And what ended up happening is, I've run out of the paint that I specifically made in the colors that I specifically made. This wasn't one of them, but I did like this color and I had a lot left over because it wasn't one of them. So now I'm going to go and make a puddle in the middle. Okay. And put the colors in that I have left over. So yeah, I don't have much of it left over, so I'm hoping this will be good. It was terrible. I did two paintings and they both failed. And I used up all the colors. It wasn't very smart of me, but I didn't actually think that they were both going to fail, so. And this was my favorite too. These are colors that I tried to mimic in a dinner plate that she had shown me. Sorry, I don't want to. Very little of it left. Look at that. I am doing my best to get every little bit out and hope that some of these colors will shine through. Well, I got a little bit more of that left. I am really praying that this works out. Okay, so let's do the blow over, and time will only tell whether or not this is good or not. I just don't have any of the paint left. I really don't. Oh, I just put something into it. I have to get that out. Hold on. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna bring around the, it's gonna blow off, I just know it, so. I'm gonna bring around the hair dryer and let's see what we can create. All right, couple things. I am not happy with this here at all. So let's see if I can't go ahead and correct that. Break it up just a little. Nope. Sorry if I've moved it out of your way of seeing. Okay, honestly, oops, sorry guys. I'm kind of liking that. I think I'm going to leave that. It looks like a flower. It has the colors in it that I really wanted. Wish I'd done this first. It's got the cream. I love that. I'm going to torch it. I did put silicone into the cream, but just give me a minute. So I'm going to let it settle, see if we don't see some cells coming up, and go ahead and torch. Now I only put silicone into the cream. Okay. I am really liking this. Really. Here, let me come in a little bit. Bring you in for a close-up. Look at that. Kind of looks like the flower that is in the middle of the plate that she showed me. I'm going to do... Sorry about the light. I'm going to try and figure there. So we do have some cells that formulated. And that is it. What do you think? I'm going to show it to you from this angle. Look at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you later. Have a wonderful day. Be good to yourselves. Be good to others.